Hi students, let us learn the second type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reactions. It is a chemical reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give simpler products. These reactions are carried out by applying heat, light or electricity. The reactions carried out by heat are called thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reactions are opposite to combination. See, combination, what happens, I have given an example. There are two reactants here, magnesium and oxygen, giving rise to a single product, that is magnesium oxide. But in decomposition, you can see example here, calcium carbonate, which is in solid state, on providing sufficient energy or heat, it decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is in solid state, carbon dioxide is gaseous. So here we can understand how decomposition is opposite to combination. That is, a single reactant will split to give rise to two or more products. Calcium carbonate is also called as limestone. So most of the time in 10th standard examination question paper, they do not specify the molecular formula. They will only sometimes give as limestone. So we should understand limestone is calcium carbonate, molecular formula is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Similarly, when they ask lime, then it is going to be calcium oxide. So these two molecular formula you have to remember. And one more thing to be noted is there is a lot of industrial, there is a lot of application regarding the decomposition of calcium carbonate, because the calcium oxide which is formed is primarily used in manufacture of steel, paper, cement and also glass. So hence it is having a universal application. Now let us understand this, another example. Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, when it is heated strongly, it decomposes to form ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So here we can observe that there is a single reactant, ferrous sulfate, which is green in color, and this on oxidation gives rise to ferric oxide, which turns brown color, and also the formation of two gas, that is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So here mainly you can also call it as a dehydration also, because ferrous sulfate loses water of hydration and it forms ferric oxide. So here this is also example for dehydration, because there is color change. So once the water molecules are evaporated or vaporized, only then green color turns to brown. So this is one of the best example for redox reaction and also decomposition, and it is also example for simple oxidation reaction. And here when we look at the balancing of equation, we should understand that iron on both sides, it is a balanced equation. Now let us check whether it is each element is having the same stoichiometric number. So iron is having 2 on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Sulfur is 2 and oxygen is 4 2s are 8, and here you have 3 plus 2 plus 3, again 8. So it is a completely balanced equation. Thank you.